Hey everyone, I am back. So today we are going to talk about something very interesting. But before that, I would just share one experience of mine which took place quite a number of years ago. When I was giving some interviews. So in one of the interview session, the interviewer asked me to talk about red color for a minute or so. So I was like, red color means what to talk about red color, it is everywhere. And I got nervous and I couldn't speak much. The situation is different now, but many this might happen with all of you, with many of you, must have happened or might have it happened. So to overcome this nervousness, to overcome this fear of speaking in English and in meaningful sentences, so I would request Davneet ma'am to please come over here and suggest us, give some advices, give us some tips so that we can talk confidently and on any topic, which whatever is around us. So Davneet ma'am, okay, hi Davneet ma'am, you are here. So Davneet
Hi,
ma'am,
Apurva ma'am. Hi,
yeah,
everyone.
Steve, we all want to know how we can overcome this nervousness and talk more confidently.
Yes, because you've stated it very rightly. You couldn't speak of red color at that time because you got nervous.
Yeah.
You got confused within your thoughts. So that is what we need to overcome. So, impromptu speaking without preparation, zero preparation. Do you know what is
Hmm.
this called as? This is extemporary.
Extemporary. Okay.
Extemporary? Yes. Seems to be a heavy word,
Yeah, kind of.
but no. It's very, but it's
Yes.
very simple. You just have to present your thoughts confidently, nothing else.
That
Okay,
is
if
it.
I'll ask you about cricket, Apurva ma'am, yes. If I'll ask you of cricket, you know about cricket?
Yes, I know. Cricket is a popular sport in our country, and there are many popular cricketers also that we have. And the equipments that are used in cricket are, bat, ball, and the wickets.
Yes, yes. You know about it, and you
Hmm.
can speak about it.
Yes.
And I could easily understand. We could easily converse with each other because you were
Yes.
confident.
Yes.
So one very important element of extemporary is confidence. Don't be nervous.
Okay.
And you know what adds on to the extemporary is our eye to eye contact.
Oh,
We look at each
yes.
other while we are conversing.
If you are asking me about to talk, on cricket, so if I'm cricket is a popular sport, so obviously you're going to get bored. So if I'm talking to you that yes, cricket is a popular sport in our country and there are various players like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, so the bond is there, it is not break.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we have connected, and that connection is extremely important. And next important thing is your voice. It has to be clear. Only then I can understand what you are sharing. If
Yeah,
I
it
just
has
go on speaking
happened.
like this,
It has happened with me that some of the kids like, ma'am, I couldn't do this, so I am like, open your mouth and talk to me clearly. Yeah.
yes. So our, mouth, the words which we are speaking, they have to be extremely clear for the other person to understand.
Hmm.
And we need not be in a hurry. It's okay.
Yes.
Take your time. Be at a normal pace. Need not be hurrying. We don't have to catch a train.
Yes.
If we are interactive, the other person will listen.
Yes.
Then comes our vocabulary. To begin with, basic structured words, they do the work. They'll do wonders for you.
Because many a
Yes,
times people think that using the words like arduous, robust, paramount means some heavy words makes you stand out, but it's not like that. Till the time you are not you are not fluent, you are not able to build a connection with your listener or audience, those vocabulary won't help.
Yes, because at the moment what we are talking about is a basic conversation, you know. So extemporary is our basic conversation. It can be any topic. You have to just think and present your view.
Yes.
Yes. Now, when you are going for your school competitions, when you're going to a bigger stage, yes, we expect you to use, you know, those, you know, you can say the glowing words,
Hmm.
but then not in your entire speech, you know, of one and a
Yes.
half minutes. Two words will do the work, but then
Hmm.
rest has to be basic, simple, structured. And the thumb
Yes.
rule is your confidence.
Thank you so much, Davneet ma'am. So I think our viewers, our audience must have got some major points, most important points from this talk of ours. And extemporary is, you know, we can have it in our daily life or routine, whatever.
Yes,
Hmm,
yes, it can be in our daily life, daily routine, just talking to each other about anything. But important is to talk. Important is
yes.
to present and share your views. Don't forget that.
Yeah, till the time we are not talking in English or conversing, even if we are at home, we with our mothers or, you know, adults with their children, start speaking in English, and only then you will, you know, yes, get comfortable with this language. Oh, I think that
Yes.
was a great session, Davneet ma'am, and I would like to get your views, our audience's views on how, what is your takeaway from this session. And
We
can
would
we
be
give some
waiting for that.
assignment? Can we give them some tasks to do? Can we give them some topic? They can write in the comment
Yes, why
section two,
not?
three lines.
Yes, why not? We'll do that. We'll put it in our comments and let's see how many words we'll get. And
That's
to
great.
begin with, to begin with, we'll ask them to introduce themselves to us and we'll share a bond. It will
In the
be a
most
connection.
unique manner, in the most unique manner,
Yes, a
highlighting.
unique map.
Yes, okay. And so we are waiting for your comments to introduce yourselves. From the same ID, you can, you know, put your children words into the comment section, and then you can also, you mothers, the fathers, audiences, please put in the comments. So we are waiting for it, and here
Yes,
we
we'll
go.
be
We say
waiting.
bye to each one of you. Thank you, Damneet ma'am, for your
Bye
such
bye,
in
everyone. Take care.
sharing your knowledge with us. Okay, bye everyone.